Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deena Danielle and I own the blog Nomad Moda. Today I'm going to do a dress thrift flip. I got this dress a while ago at Goodwill and I've been meaning to do this thrift flip for a long time, and I kind of started it and then I paused and then I restarted it again. So finally doing this. So let's get started. Let me show you the dress. So this is the dress. I bought it at Goodwill a while ago. It was $8.99. You can see it in another thrift flip video where I tried it on in the fitting room, but basically there's too much fabric and I just think it can be like sexier, so I'm going to probably cut out some of this lining on the bottom and then tighten this. I really like the lace, so probably tighten the bottom. So this is the dress. As you can see, it's not the most flattering. There's a lot of extra fabric here, so I plan to shorten it and tighten the bottom a bit and then probably cut off the longer part of the sleeve. So I put a little mark right here, and that's where I'm going to cut the lining and make it a bit shorter. Okay, so now that I have this seam ripper, I'm going to undo these seams on the sleeves to make the dress look a little bit more modern. Okay guys, so I just got the sleeves off. I used a seam ripper to get both of them off, and it is already looking so much better. So here's the belt that I'm going to use. It is a pleather belt. As you can see, this is like the front center part that goes around the front of your waist, and then it wraps around the back of your waist and ties in the front over this section. So I'm going to use that on the dress, and I think that it'll look really nice and help the waist kind of like cinch and give it a little bit more of a curved silhouette. Sometimes you just need some accessories to spice up the look or to complete it, make it look a little bit more feminine, a little sexier, and this pleather can do that. So we're going to put that on. Okay, I just finished the dress. So I shortened the dress just by tucking this lace layer up into the belt so that it could be worn short like this or long. I think it turned out super cute. I like it a lot. You could wear this to a wedding. You could wear it out at night on a date. There are so many places that you could wear this. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys really liked this DIY and feel inspired to make a dress of your own. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.